What's up everyone, and welcome to a shorts review of the eyeshadow palette collaboration between Sydney Grace and Temptalia. There are 3 palettes in this collection, and bonus, there is both a light and deep option for all of the palettes. I'll circle the 2 shades in each palette that change based on whether you get the light version or the deep version. First, we have Quintessence, which has all the beautiful colors and textures of a galaxy, kind of like the galaxy illustrated on the front of the palette. This is kind of what I like to consider your above and beyond Smoky Eye palette. Then there is the On the Horizon palette, which has a bunch of relatively subdued but still colorful grungy shades in here. And for me, this feels like an updated version of my go-to everyday comfort zone palette. The third palette is Radiant Reflection, and it's what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. And if you love gem tones, this is going to be the palette for you. Now the good news is that if you like all of these palettes, they bundled them so you can buy them all at once and save. And the best part is that you can mix and match each palette that you want. So if you want a light version of one, a deep version of the other, combine the 2, buy them all at once. Thanks so much for watching.